Minsan tayong mga tao, padalos-dalos din mag-isip. Kaya ang nangyayari, madali tayong manghusga ng kapwa. Pero magandang tignan ang katangiang itinuturo ng virtue ng prudence to become wise and discerning in judgment. Alam niyo yung kwento sa gospel, how the Pharisees and scribes tried to trap Jesus by presenting the woman for judgment. However, Christ's response demonstrates the essence of prudence. Ano ginawa niya? He invited those without sin to cast the first stone. Kaya nga, na-highlight yung need for self-examination before passing judgment to others. We see how Jesus exemplifies the virtue of prudence by not condemning the woman, recognizing her humanity and the potential for change. Isang paalala lang na ang pagsasabuhay ng may kabaitan at kahinahunan ay pag-intindi ng may empathy and compassion. Dahil tayo rin sa buhay ay may own imperfections. Let us strive to make wise and merciful choices, offering the opportunity for repentance and transformation rather than hasty condemnation. Sana katulad ni Jesus, hindi tayo padalos-dalos nang sa gayon hindi tayo maging mapanghusga sa buhay na ito. G ka ba?